A contemporary living room is a room that has been updated to reflect the latest trends in interior design. You can always hire design firms and add contemporary furniture with bold color or any color you want. Before that, you can watch how to actually creating contemporary living room. These are 5 tips for you. Number 1. Variety of textures in your furniture. Instead of using one type of material or texture throughout your living room, mix things up by using different materials and textures in different areas of the room. Number 2. Use sliding fixtures. One of the best ways to add a touch of modernity and style to your living room is by using modern lighting fixtures. Choose fixtures that are sleek and contemporary in design, and then add them to strategic areas throughout the room to create a visually appealing effect. Number 3. Use soft light. If you want to create a space that is both comfortable and stylish, try using soft light throughout the room. This type of light can help to create a relaxed atmosphere. This is perfect for relaxing after a long day or enjoying some quiet time alone. Number 4. Choose comfortable furniture. One of the most important things to remember when designing a contemporary living room is to choose furniture that is both comfortable and stylish. Opt for pieces that are designed with comfort in mind, and then you will be able to relax and enjoy your space all day long. Number 5. Choose neutral colors. When designing a contemporary living room, it is important to choose neutral colors that will help to tie the room together. This will help to create a cohesive look that is both modern and stylish. That's all for today. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.